OPM.
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 RPM.
OPM.
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 Is OPM dead?
Really?
What?
Are you kidding me?
I don't think so. Dito pa ako eh.
Sino pa ba ang may pakialam sa OPM?
Ikaw?
Kayo?
Yung mga nagbebenta ng pirata?
Yung mga dumadownload sa YouTube ng mga kanta na paborito nila?
Sana napapanood pa ang OPM sa TV.
Sana new artists can all be seen sa mainstream.
Music stores are closing.
There are less venues to play in. Wala nang masyadong OPM na naririnig ngayon sa radyo. Wala na sila pinapatugtog, di gaya ng dati.
Pero kung ikaw,
But if you
Follow your favorite artist.
Have ever written an original song?
Share, blog, or tweet about an OPM song or artist.
Kumakanta pa ba kayo ng OPM song sa karaoke o videoke?
Beep, 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 beep. Sabi ng chuper ng jeep.
Panahon na naman ang pag-ibig.
if you still sing RPM songs in the shower,
Nawawala, bumabalik, eto na naman.
You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you.
kapag ang mga lyrics ng kantang Pilipino ay pinapatato natin sa likod natin at ginagawang guiding philosophy sa buhay.
Panalangin ko sa habang buhay.
Makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko.
Then maybe,
Just maybe.
OPM is not dead.
OPM is
Undead.
Kasi
OPM is not about
album sales.
English versus Filipino.
Endorsements.
Sunugan.
OPM is not about breaking records.
Fame.
Fame,
Topping the charts.
divas,
OPM means
Filipino pride.
Equality.
love of language.
Freedom.
freedom, freedom.
Love of country.
Genre-less music.
Life.
OPM means rock and roll.
Parang yung luto ng nanay mo, ng tita mo, o pagkain nyo sa probinsya. Comfort food.
Gigugma nimo ang imuhang bansa. OPM means tanan gibuhatang sa tanang Pilipino.
OPM means
Teaching.
Celebrating.
Moving,
Gathering.
And sharing. OPM is about
My story.
My story.
My story.
my story.
your story.
Our story.
Atin to.
OPM is about me,
You.
Ikaw. Tayo.
OPM is about us.
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 OPM means we are one.
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 OPM means we are one. Kaya alagaan natin to.
Because we care about it.
Kayo, what does OPM mean to you?
Support OPM. Support original Philippine music.